Hi guys, and good morning everybody. It's I won't say early morning. It's not even 8. This is Monday, so I wanted to take some minutes to wish all of you a happy new week. Enjoy this new week. I hope the weekend was good. It was good for us. It was resting, and yeah. Have a good week. Enjoy the vlog, and I catch you guys along today.
What you doing?
I'm going to school.
Yeah, vacation is up and it's time to go back to school. Hi Fibs, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. It's back to the routine, back to school life.
Today I said chill and be nice.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna do at school, right?
Right.
Very good boy. Come. So it's back to normal routine, you guys.
And then no fighting.
Right, no fighting at school.
And no crying at
And
school.
no crying at school because you're a
Big boy.
right, and big boys don't cry. Back to the usual routine, you guys, of waking up early, going to take Ty to school, work out. No, it stays like that. And work and all that good stuff throughout the day. But
What are you doing?
we are alive and we are well. And what am I doing? What you mean?
Here.
Where?
Here. Is this one I put on my name and the black shoes?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna put on. So we are thankful to be alive, you guys. And welcome to another vlog.
Mama,
And my boy's getting ready for school. Yes, Dad.
there is not a Flash McQueen in
Let me
my
just-
bed.
There's a lot of Flash McQueen on your bed.
Yes.
Yes, because Flash McQueen is on your sheet. No more folding of uniform sleeves because it's cold outside. So
Mama,
uniform sleeve stays
Mama,
down. Yes, Dad.
I'm sick.
Come, let's go. Wait, let's go here first. Sit.
Shoes.
And then we're gonna put on shoes. No, don't do that. Throw him away. Come, shoes.
Mama,
Yes.
he's fell down and he's not running and he's not listening to me. He bites me in my foot. Hey, where's my other one? Where's my
Stand.
other one?
No, just stand. Just stand. Okay, all ready. And take up the crocodile and put him back on the bed.
He's naughty.
You guys, so Tawa is ready for school. Babe just head out to work. Go and put it up. Go and put it up. Baby's ready for work, and now I am going to go and drop Tyler to school and get back and get on with my day. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever it is that you guys are doing today, just make the best of it, make the best of life, because we wake up this morning and a lot of people didn't get that amazing chance to just wake up and say thank you, Lord, for another day. So enjoy whatever it is that you're doing today. It doesn't really matter what. Like I always tell you, even if you're sitting at home doing nothing, say thank you, Lord, for doing nothing, because you still have life. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop my rambling and head out with my little nugget and let him reunite with his friends, because he's pretty excited about heading back to school. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, let's put your bag on. Bag.
This is white.
All right, and Mama going to carry this, so you give it to Mistress, okay?
Okay.
All right.
What's that?
It have your books in it.
Books in it?
Yes. Let's just walk with the umbrellas just in case it's raining. Go on. Let's go. You have to carry back your books to school, so we are going to carry them.
You know it's cold.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes.
Newton and the Mickey Tomb.
Yes. He's in his French mode. Yes, the leaves fall off the tree. It happens. No, you can't pick up any leaves right now.
You see? Leaf.
I see.
Vert et jaune et noir. Non, Dieu des marrons.
Take off my jacket. I had to take off my jacket on my way back because I'm hot. I'm burning up. I thought the morning would have been freezing because the way outside looked, and I didn't really check the temperature, but it's hot. God damn it. I don't know why everybody's wearing a big jacket, and it is hot. This long sleeve top that I'm in was enough. I didn't really need the jacket. Maybe Tyler needed it, but me, I'm burning up right now. Legit burning up. Shit. You guys, I'm so hungry, so I just whip up breakfast real quick. And of course, nothing new. The usual, I'm having eggs and plantains, and I just dropped 2 pieces of toast brioche in there. And that's breakfast, y'all. Grub time. I was trying to tidy up this entire house before lunch hour, but that didn't work. I'm too hungry. I am so hungry. So I had to pause to get lunch, but I'm just warming some food from yesterday. I have so much food from yesterday that I don't have to cook lunch and dinner all day today because I have enough leftovers. So it will be a leftover kind of day. So I'm just revamping. I am just adding some avocado to lettuce and carrot that I have from yesterday, which is here. And then I'm going to add some quinoa and chicken to that. Add my quinoa and chicken to that, and lunch is ready. Okay, and I'm gonna have the same thing for dinner, but for dinner I'm gonna have the steamed veg instead of the raw veg. So I warm me just a little quinoa and chicken. So just a little quinoa and a piece of chicken, and then I'm just gonna add my salad over my quinoa, and that is lunch done, ready to eat. Nothing fancy. Faves, all I've been doing today is cleaning, changing beddings, and getting this house all fresh. Now that all that is done, I need to go and get ready for work. Yeah, so I'm on a roll today, y'all. I'm on a roll.